Okay, first off, let's talk about short-term incidents. We're talking about lacerations, breaks, or even amputations. Ouch. These are the kinds of mishaps that can happen in the blink of an eye, whether it's a kitchen accident, a slip of a tool, or a mishap with heavy machinery. So let's dive into how these incidents can occur and, more importantly, how to prevent them. Lacerations or cuts to the hands and wrists can occur as a result of contact with sharp objects, machinery, or tools. These injuries can vary in severity from minor cuts to deep wounds that may damage tendons, nerves, or blood vessels. So without prompt and proper medical attention, lacerations can lead to infection, impaired hand function, and long-term complications. Fractures or breaks in the bones of the hands and wrists can result from traumatic injuries, such as falls, impacts, or crushing incidents. These injuries can cause severe pain, swelling, and loss of functionality, and may require immobilization, casting, or surgical intervention to promote proper healing and prevent long-term impairment. Amputations involve the partial or complete loss of fingers, hands, or wrists due to a severe trauma, machinery accidents, or crushing injuries. These catastrophic incidents can have profound physical, emotional, and psychological effects, leading to long-term disability and functional limitations. Okay, so next up, we'll chat about the long-term effects of poor work habits, from repetitive strain injuries to chronic conditions caused by ergonomic issues. These are the sneaky hazards that creep up over time. So by understanding these potential long-term effects, we can take proactive steps to keep our hands in tip-top condition for the long haul. Engaging in repetitive tasks without adequate rest and ergonomic support, well, they can lead to conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome, tendonitis, and tenosynovitis. Over time, these conditions can cause major pain, weakness, and restricted mobility in the hands and wrists. Then there's degenerative conditions. Prolonged exposure to poor ergonomics and high levels of physical stress can contribute to degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis and degenerative joint disease in both the hands and the wrists. You see, these conditions can cause chronic pain, stiffness, and reduced functionality. Continuous pressure and strain on the nerves in the hands and wrists, such as the median nerve and carpal tunnel syndrome, that can lead to nerve compression and long-term nerve damage. This can result in ongoing tingling, numbness, and loss of sensation in the affected areas. You see, long-term poor work habits can lead to a loss of hand and wrist function, affecting our ability to perform everyday tasks, work-related duties, and recreational activities. This can have a significant impact on your quality of life and your overall productivity. Chronic hand and wrist pain and limitations can also have psychological effects, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and decrease of our overall well-being.